Hi, my name is Tom Avery. I have a question for you. How would you like to look and feel 10 to 20 years younger? How would you like to find your ideal body weight and then stay there? Well, I'm not selling any pills, powders, or potions. There's no magic bullet. It's going to take some effort. But if you want to be totally functional and have energy as you grow older to be able to play with the grandkids, please subscribe to Fruit and Sport today. Hit the subscribe button and you'll be on your way in taking in the knowledge that you need to make that a reality. And all the while, you're going to be eating the most delicious food on the planet. So please take care. All the best. And I look forward to helping you take your health to levels you never dreamed possible. All the best.